Welcome back for another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to load a drawing template to Autodesk Inventor. So basically what you need is you need to have obviously a template, an existing template. And I'm going to show you how to create templates in a future video. But for now, I'm going to provide that template for you. So if you go to your CAECAM class and you go to main page, you'll find your handouts, and that's where you'll find this Thaddeus Stevens drawing template. So just go ahead and click and download that. You can see I've downloaded it a couple times here just to make sure it worked. And now there's a couple ways you can load this in. The easiest way to load this thing in is just to go to it, see which one is the most recent. It's that one. Double click on it and open it. Now that it's open, I'm just going to go to File, Save As, and I'm going to click on the little arrow and Save Copy as a template. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Save, and I'm going to click on this and just overwrite it. Obviously, I already have mine in there. Basically, it should bring you to this location. The location should be C, Users, Public Documents, Autodesk, Inventor 2021, or whatever the latest version is that you're using, Templates, US. And under that US is where you should save this. You can save it under English too. Double click that. Let me actually go back up the folder. So I'm just taking the name there. And then let's go back to that English folder. And let's save it in there. So now I have it saved in 2 locations. So let me close this now. And let's go to New. All right, so now notice it's asking me, so it has it in the regular templates, but even if I go to US and go to English, it's still in there as well. So it'll be in both of them now. It's in this upper folder and it's also in this subfolder. You don't have to put them in both. You can just put it in whichever one. Just remember which one you put it in, so when you go to create a file, that's where you're going to look for your template. The other way you can add this is obviously to do it the longhand way, to just open these folders up. So here's my downloads folder with my template in it. And if I open up another one, and I'm going to go to my C drive, Users, Public Documents, Autodesk, whichever one I'm using. So I'm using Inventor 2021, and Templates. And if I go to ENUS, you'll see that there is my copy. And then, of course, I just made one under English, too. So as long as it's under this Templates ENUS, you will have access to it through Inventor. If it's somewhere else, you might not be able to find it. So you just drop it in Templates. You might be able to find it in there, but back here in Inventor, you're not going to find it. So make sure you drop it under Templates, and I always drop it under ENUS, and then you just drag and drop. Now I'm not going to move this because it's just going to overwrite it, but yeah, I would just drag and drop it in there. So that's where your templates are located. So if we create a new part, and I go into my template, it should load up just fine. And there's my template. So that's all I have for this video. Now you can use the Thaddeus Stevens template for all your future tutorials and exercises. If you have any questions, of course, you can either see me during class